city called Kunming. Never been here. It's very close to Thailand already. Share the border with Vietnam and Laos. Kind of like Southeast Asia culture a little bit, even just mixed it with a lot of different culture, food. Today we're seeing a super interesting hotel. It's kind of like a Japanese style, Japanese garden. We're having the local food is called mi xian. I've always loved mi xian. You got different small plates. You got a big bowl as your main food. So now we're gonna have our breakfast and then we're gonna explore the city of Kunming. They have a lot of good food, right? So we're gonna explore the food tour a little bit in the city. Join us. Time to explore the city of Kunming. We're gonna eat a lot of local food. There is kind of like a fresh market here, very popular. You got tons of food, you got tons of local, veggies, stuff like that. I really like to explore things like that. Yeah, we'll go explore and then we're gonna have some dinner. We're gonna meet some friends, maybe, we don't know yet, but yeah, so let's explore the city of Kunming. Let's go back to the city girl life. So fashionable. This is a fresh market. I heard they're gonna close in 6. I think because it's kind of weird because we come to a city and the first thing we want to see is the fresh market. It's just so extremely crazy local, and we're wearing, I don't know, maybe just too hot for her. She's hungry, so we're gonna get some food. Is it spicy? It's super crunchy. So special. 这是炸的吗？
这是烤的
啊 ，OK。谢谢。耶。怎么样 ？Good, right? Those are mushrooms.
你给他尝尝。
好。
海鲜。
哦，这个是豆瓣酱吗？
对，豆瓣酱。
这个是用稀的吗？
那稀豆瓣酱。
It actually tastes like meat. It's so crazy good. 500一公斤，500是 it's like $70 per kilo. This one. So yeah, it's quite expensive. And here are different pickles. This is carrots. What is this? Looks like worm, but it's not. 怎么说？要吗？
因为这些
She wants everything. She's like, okay, I'll try. Okay, I get it.
1、2、3、4，好，我要这3个。
So now she's getting a bottle, but the good thing is they can just deliver it to your home. So she's gonna get one, and they're gonna just send
I don't have so many
to her
money.
home in Chengdu.
I don't have money.
You have money. 是不？
我现在帮你装了2种了，这个要不要来一点？要来一点哈。哇哦！
Ooh, some chicken feet, guys.
看这些水果。旁边是不是可以？
这样。Is it spicy? Very spicy. Okay, I can tell already. Next one. We're gonna get some veggies. I don't even know how to call this, to be honest with you. But they're so spicy and so heavy, and I love it.
来一个团客。
哎，不好了。There we go. It's a little bit more than $1. Her stomach is completely whole. We just bought this. She's like, this one's like super popular, so let's just get in the queue. It's super crunchy. That's gonna be super spicy, but it's not.
这地方还行哦。
哎，你们是拍照还是排队的？
排队。
排队。
椰子。
好吃吗？ Yeah, everything we have tried so far is just so good. This one is super good. Tastes like roast actually. Yeah, super good. This looks so good. 我经常在电视里面看他们烤这种 eggplants. It's huge. I thought it was going to be one eggplant, but it's a huge bowl, and we're completely full, so I'm not even sure we're going to finish it right now. Yeah. It's a bit too salty, to be honest with you. We got cucumber inside. We got the dragon egg. Wow. And then we got some onion. We got some chili. That's nice.
芝麻、桂花、玫瑰、红桃、原味，也是有。
乌兰哈，你要喝哪个
Cheers.
So special, so special.
好甜啊 ，so sweet。那你买一丢丢吧。
好甜，你尝一下，就是小小的，但是
Oh yeah, yeah, it's pretty good.
可以了，够了吗？这个也买10块钱的吧？那装10块钱的嘛。好钱呢？我不差不多，10块钱啊，我可以买2、3个不？我买2、3个。
好吗？ I have never saw any coconut so cheap in China. It's like $1.24. Such a huge one. It's like twice of my head. Huge.
要这个吗？这一个吗？谢谢。
Dragon fruit, 真愿 with 3 of them. I'm sorry that we turned this video into a food video. I didn't expect that, but the food in Yunnan just absolutely delicious. And we ate so much food. We actually decided to go somewhere else, but both Yang Xiaoxuan, your English name is Yara, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So both Yara and me, we're just so extremely tired, exhausted. So we're like, okay, we want to go somewhere, but it's kind of like it's not happening. So we come back home and we have this in our room. I don't even know how you call this in English, but it's kind of like they put hot water inside, kind of like, you know, Japanese style. So we have some milk, we have some
Rose.
Rose. I'm like, what is this? I forgot the word. So we're just both exhausted. So we come back. We're gonna enjoy tonight. Yang Xiaoxuan said I look like a ghost.
Yara,
from this
please.
angle. So see you guys tomorrow morning. In Japan, they do have this hot spring, right? So they like to go to those hot springs for like really hot water. And in our room, we have a huge bath. Yesterday we already did that, and today, because this hotel is not just famous for the Japanese style, but they're also famous for their spa as well. A lot of people actually just come here for the spa, so we plan to do a spa this morning, and right now we're having some tea, gonna go into the bath with some milk, some flowers inside of the water, and then I'll have a 60-minute spa. Oh my god, I think that's gonna save my life before